Hello children, I hope you are all happy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Here, every day, we will sing, dance, listen to stories and have lots of fun together. Are you ready to have fun? Then come, join me in a dance. बच्चों, टीवी के नजदीक आ जाइए और मेरे साथ एक डांस में जुड़ जाइए.
Paper boat, sail away. Whoosh, a little here, whoosh, a little there. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. Little red umbrella, don't fly away. Whoosh, no, no. Whoosh, no, no. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. Pretty little rainbow, will you dance with me? Whoosh, a spin. Whoosh, a twirl. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop.
Children, words are very important for a language. Come, let's learn some new words today. आइए बच्चों, कुछ नए शब्द सीखें. The first word is plenty. 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 There are plenty of chocolates in the fridge. There is plenty of water all around. Second word, diving. 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 I learnt diving in a swimming pool. The children learnt diving in a lake. Third word, traveling. 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 I love traveling by train. Traveling by bus is very difficult. Our fourth word is hopped. 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 The rabbits hopped all around at the zoo. The children hopped over the water puddles. As we read, children, don't forget to point to the words. बच्चों, आपके पास अगर टेक्स्ट बुक है तो अपनी उंगली शब्दों पर कुछ इस तरीके से रखिए जब हम पढ़ रहे हों. And if you don't have a textbook, please listen carefully. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो मुझे गौर से सुने. Look before you leap. Long, long ago, there lived two little frogs in a pretty little pond. Colorful water lilies grew in the pond. Fishes darted about and tiny insects buzzed around. The pond was full of life. So, children, what is the story about? The story talks about a little pond. Pond is a small place or area where water is collected. The pond is full of life. Why is it full of life? The pond has lovely, colorful water lilies growing around it. There are fishes darting in the water. Darting means moving quickly and suddenly. There are lots of insects buzzing around. That's why the pond is full of life. बच्चों, ये कहानी में एक छोटे से तालाब के बारे में बताया है जिसके आसपास वाटर लिलीज, एक तरीके के फूल उगते हैं. The two frogs were very close friends. They had plenty to eat in the pond. All the day long, they played about, jumping from lily pad to lily pad and diving headlong in the pond. They were the happiest little frogs in the world. So, children, there were two frogs staying in the pond. They both were best friends. They had plenty to eat in this pond. They jumped from one lily pad to the other. They dived headlong. Lily pad are the leaves of the water lily. Can you see these here? These green little leaves are called lily pads. And the frogs dived headlong, means with their head first while taking a dive. The two friends had a lot of fun at the pond. बच्चों, इस तालाब में दो मेढक रहते थे. दो मेढक बहुत ही अच्छे दोस्त थे. उनके पास खाने के लिए उस तालाब में बहुत सारी चीजें थी और वो पूरा दिन यहां से वहां कूदते और खूब मजे करते. The frogs loved the rainy season. But the rainy season does not last forever. The rains stopped and the weather became hot. Still, there was a lot of water and life in the pond. There was nothing to worry about. In winter, the frog friends found cozy little places at the edge of the pond. They spent most of their time sleeping and resting. The two frog friends loved the rainy season when the pond would be full of water. दोनों मेढकों को बारिश का मौसम बहुत पसंद था क्योंकि तालाब पूरा भरा रहता। Slowly the rainy season went away and the summer season came in. It was very hot, but there was still a lot of water in the pond, so there was nothing to worry about. गर्मियों के मौसम में भी तालाब में पानी रहने की वजह से मछलियों और मेढकों को कोई चिंता नहीं थी। Then winter season came and it was very cold. But the two frog friends found cozy little places at the edge of the pond and they spent most of their time resting and eating. ठंडी के मौसम में दोनों मेढक तालाब के आसपास ही कोई जगह ढूंढकर उसी बिल में रहते। वो अपना पूरा दिन खाते और आराम करते। Soon it was summer. Now the days became very, very hot. With the hot sun blazing in the sky, the pond began to dry. Without water, the lilies dried up. There were very few insects to be found. The frog friends were worried. Then summer season came in. The days became longer. The sun started blazing in the sky and the water of the pond dried up. The water lilies also dried up. There were very few insects buzzing around and the frogs began to worry. गर्मियों का मौसम आ गया। धूप ज्यादा होने की वजह से तालाब का पानी सूख रहा था। तालाब के आसपास जो वाटर लिलीज जो फूल उगते थे वो भी सूख गए। दोनों मेढक अब चिंता में पड़ गए कि अब उनका क्या होगा। Do you think the whole pond will dry up? Looks like it, said the other. What shall we do then? How shall we live? We must search a place where there is plenty of water and food for us. You are right. It is hard work traveling in this hot sun, but there is no other way. Come, let us start. The sooner, the better. If we travel together, the search will be easier. The two frog friends were very worried. What would they do now? They both spoke to each other. One of them said, "What if the whole pond dries up?" The other said, "We must look for another place where there is plenty of water and food for us." They both together decided to travel and find a place like this. They knew traveling in the hot sun would not be easy, but they decided to travel. दोनों मेढक इस सोच में पड़ गए कि अगर पूरा तालाब सूख गया तो उनका क्या होगा। उन्होंने डिसाइड किया, निर्णय लिया कि वो अब एक दूसरी जगह ढूंढेंगे जहां उन्हें खाना और बहुत सारा पानी मिले। So the frogs left the drying pond and began to look for a watery place. They hopped and became very tired. Just then, one of them saw a well in the distance. They rushed to the well. The well was built in stone and had a high circular wall. The frogs hopped onto the wall and peeped inside. The well was quite deep, but there was a lot of water still left at the bottom of the well. The friends began to jump for joy. The two frogs set out to find their new home. They hopped and became very tired, but they finally saw a well. When they peeped inside the well, they saw that it was very deep, but there was water at the bottom. So they both jumped with joy. दोनों मेढक कूद कूद कर अभी बहुत थक गए थे। आखिर में उन्हें एक कुआं मिला जिसमें बहुत पानी था। वो दोनों ही बहुत खुश हो गए। We are so fortunate. Thank God that we found this well. Our problem is solved. Our search has ended. We have found a new home. Let's jump in together. 1, 2. Wait, friend, this well is so deep and there's water left only at the bottom. But we can surely dive in. However deep the well may be, diving is our specialty. Why do you hesitate? Out of the two frog friends, one of them was very happy. He said, God has solved all our problems. Now we have a new home. Let's jump right into the well. And he also began to count 1, 2. Before he could count 3, the other frog friend said, Wait, wait. Let's not just dive in. Can't you see there is only little water left at the bottom? So the other frog friend said, So what? Diving is our specialty. Why do you hesitate? Why do you hold back? Why are you not ready to jump in? दोनों मेढक में से एक मेढक तैयार हो गया कुएं में कूदने के लिए, पर दूसरे मेढक ने कहा कि जरा ध्यान से पहले हम सोच लेते हैं, क्योंकि कुआं बहुत गहरा है और पानी उसमें सबसे नीचे है और बहुत कम लग रहा है। It has occurred to me that this well is also drying up. If it dries up completely, we will have to leave this well too. I agree, but why do you hesitate now? It's because I see a problem. We can easily dive into the well. But what if the well dries up? Can we jump so high that we reach the top of this well? Shall we be able to leave the well like we left the pond? The second frog friend tells his first frog friend, What if this well also dries up like the pond? The first frog friend says, Yes, it may happen. But why do you hesitate? Why do you hold back now? The second frog friend said, we both can dive in the well, but with the heat increasing, if the well dries up, there will be no water left. And can we both jump so high to come out of the well? We will be in a very difficult place. I can see a problem in the future. दोनों मेढक जब निर्णय ले रहे थे कुएं में कूदने के लिए, उनमें से एक ने कहा कि अगर कुएं का पानी भी सूख गया तो उसमें कूदने के बाद हम वापस बाहर नहीं आ पाएंगे. You are right, friend, said the other frog. I had not thought of this. It's good that you could foresee this problem. Let's not leap inside. Let's continue with our search. And so the two little frogs hopped on to look for a safe shelter. How well it is said, look before you leap. The two frog friends decided not to jump into the well, because if they dived into the well now when there was little water at the bottom, with the heat increasing, if the water dried up, they would not be able to come out of the deep well. So they decided not to take the leap. They decided to keep looking for their new home. That's why it's wisely said, look before you leap. You need to think of the consequences before you jump into something or before you take a decision. One frog friend told the other, it is good you could foresee the problem. To foresee is to be able to see something that is yet to happen, something that is in the future. So, because the frog friends were able to foresee their future, were able to know now what could happen in the future, they took their decision wisely, cleverly. दोनों मेढक एक भविष्य की समस्या अभी से देख पा रहे थे कि अगर वो कुएं में कूद भी गए, उसके बाद अगर कुएं का पानी सूख गया गर्मियों के मौसम की वजह से, तो वो कुएं से बाहर नहीं निकल पाएंगे. इसीलिए दोनों ने कुएं में कूदने का निर्णय टाल दिया और आगे अपना घर ढूंढने निकल पड़े. Children, I hope you all liked the story of the two frog friends. I hope there were lots of new words that you learned. The story has many messages. For me, the important message was that when the weather changes, at that time, animals, birds, all creatures are affected by it. We should be very understanding of these changes and try to help animals and creatures around us as much as possible. I hope you understood this listening to all the hardships, all the difficulties that the two frog friends faced when it was summer season and the heat started increasing. They both had to go look for a new home. Another important message also is, look before you leap. The title of the lesson is also, Look Before You Leap. which means, children, that any time you are going to take a decision, at that time you must always think about what that decision or that action will mean in future. What could happen if you take that step? So we must always take our actions after giving it a thought, after thinking. Children, till we meet next time, please take care. Bye bye and stay safe.